Hi, who are you guys?
We're the Fawn family.
Hi, Fawn family. And who are you?
I'm Parker.
And who are you?
I'm Allie.
And what's your name?
My name is Jackson.
Hi, and what's your name, little girl?
I'm Avery.
You're Avery. And hi, what's your name?
I'm Jessica.
And Jessica, are you hiding somebody in between you and Avery?
A baby.
A baby. And when's he coming?
In the beginning of October, end of September.
Beginning. And Jackson, what are you guys doing today?
We are having a lazy day in our pajamas. Dun-dun.
In your pajamas. And Allie,
Yes.
where are you having a lazy day at?
We're having a lazy day in our house in Lima, Peru.
In Lima, Peru.
Lima, Peru.
Parker, what are you doing in Lima, Peru?
We are here to tell the poor people about Jesus.
Oh, poor people. So you're missionaries?
Yes.
You're missionaries. Avery, do you like being a missionary?
Uh-huh.
You do.
Sir?
And you know what, guys? Do you guys have friends in Lima?
Yes.
Do you have friends in some neighborhoods? What's a neighborhood you're working in?
Oasis.
Oasis. You guys have friends in Oasis?
Yes, sir.
You do? Do they have a lot of money?
No.
Do they have big houses?
No.
No, they don't have very much, do they? And so you know what? The kids at First Southern Baptist Church of Yucca Valley and their VBS have collected over $200 to provide crayons and coloring books for your friends at church at Oasis. So let's all say thank you to First Southern Baptist Church of Yucca Valley. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for giving money to the kids in Oasis.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.